Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna make apple jam. So, these are the ingredients. Ayan, so I have here 8 medium apple. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 medium apple. And 2 cups of sugar. 2 cups of water. I will add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And now I will start to peel the apple. So, ayan guys, natapos ko ng balatan. Ngayon, hiwain ko na siya. Hindi natin isasali yung buto. Ayan. Kain natin. Dami kasi apple, kaya naisip ko kung anong gagawin ko sa apple. Palagi na lang juice. So, iba naman. Ayan, apple jam naman. At masarap din to. Palaman sa tinapay, di ba? Libre lang tong apple. Meron kasi yung namimigay dito. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. Ayan, I'm all done. Hiniwa ko na. Hiniwa ko lang ng cubes. Lagay ko to, 2 cups of sugar. 2 cups. 2 cups of water. One-half teaspoon of cinnamon, but I will put more than half. Yeah, maybe 3/4 teaspoon. And just a pinch of salt. Pinch of salt. Where's my teaspoon? And 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Tumulo. Okay, there you go. Okay. Meron pang buto. There's a seed. Hey. Okay. It's okay. Ayan. Naiwan naman. Okay. Let's stir. Ayan. And I will put it in the in the stove. Put it in the stove. Ayan. Tatakpan ko muna siya. I will let it boil. This is gonna be long hours of cooking. Okay. Put the lid. And let's wait. Ayan, now it's starting to boil. I will put the heat in low. Diyan lang siya. So, let it boil. And just stir it. Like, come back after 5 minutes. Stir it again. Okay, yan. Kumukulo pa rin siya. Mahina lang ang kulo niya dahil yung apoy nasa low heat. So, pero kailangan pa rin siyang haluin. Haluin lang siya palagi para hindi masunog ang ilalim. Yan. Haluin lang siya. So, now, ayan. Naluluto na siya. Gagamitin ko yung potato smasher. Smash lang siya. Hanggang sa madurog. Ayan, nagbabrown na siya, kumukulo. Lagkit-lagkit na. Ayan, lagkit-lagkit na siya. Bukas titigas na to. Tama-tama lang to. Okay. See? Diba? So, konti pa. Okay, I think it's all done now. I'm gonna turn it off now. See? Oh. Pwede na, malapot na. Pag lumamigin, lalo pa yan lalapot. That's good. I can let it cool and then put it in the jar. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next video.